I'm just going up and up, and that is the trajectory I'm on, and it is so exciting. It is literally so exciting because you literally deserve it. Because, like, whatever you freaking went through, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like, what did you go through? Oh my gosh. But, like, it's, like, comical in a way. You're like, my life is a comedy because of how many ups and downs I've had and twists and turns. And I'm just like, you ended up here and then you ended up there and then you're here and then you're here and then you're all over. Like, it's like a tornado. It's like a tornado, but like a collected tornado. I was gonna say calm, but not necessarily that, but it's like you can collect yourself. This is kind of hard because it's like you can brace for impact. And actually, now I'm getting like your body is almost used to that. It's almost used to bracing for impact, and we gotta relax. And I really don't like when they send messages like that because it's like, what does that mean? Like, what? Okay, yeah, I'll chill. I'll relax. Like, that's like the worst thing you can say to someone. But it's really like, I'm hearing you're already doing the healing work, and if you aren't, get on that, because that is the way to kind of reprogram your nervous system for not bracing for impact, because that's not how we want to live. We don't want to live, I'm hearing, like, with our emergency fund, like, we don't want to live like thinking we'll need our emergency fund, if that makes sense. We want to live thinking we have our emergency fund and whatever, you know? We want to be free with it, but we don't want to be like, in my life, I always need my emergency fund. And so I'm gonna need my emergency. So that's like bracing for impact, you know? I'm hearing like you're very smart. You're very almost like mature and very in charge of your life and independent. And yeah, that really feels like this collective. Like, you're very on top of it. In a way. I also just heard like maybe type B too, but also you could be type A with all of this as well. But like some of you are type B, obviously. But it feels like you don't want to be like, even though you are ready, you're ready for anything, you don't want to be bracing for impact. There's a difference between being ready and then bracing for impact, if that makes sense. You don't want to be expecting the worst. You want to be expecting the best. You want to be like, yeah, my life is amazing.